Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI Bstat question paper from the year 2016. We will be starting with question number 27. In question number 27, it has been said for alpha belonging to the open interval 0 to 3 by 2, xn is defined as n plus 1 to the power alpha minus n to the power alpha. In that case, we need to find the value of limit of xn as n tends to infinity. The options are 1 for all alpha, 1 or 0 depending upon the value of alpha, 1 or infinity depending upon the value of alpha, and 1 0 or infinity depending upon the value of alpha. So what we'll do is that we'll take we'll find out the value of limit for alpha equal to 1, alpha less than 1 and alpha greater than 1, and we know that alpha equal to 1 lies in this interval 0 to 3 by 2. Now for alpha equal to 1, xn is equal to n plus 1 to the power 1 minus n, this is equal to 1. This will imply that limit of xn as n tends to infinity will be equal to 1 for alpha equal to 1. Now for alpha equal to let me write it more correctly. For alpha greater than 1, xn is equal to n plus 1 to the power alpha minus n alpha. So if we take n alpha common, then this will give us 1 plus 1 by n to the power alpha minus 1. So this will imply that limit x of n as n tends to infinity will give us limit n tends to infinity n to the power alpha into 1 plus 1 by n to the power alpha minus of 1. Now if we put here, we have alpha greater than 1. Now if you put n tends to infinity, then infinity to the power greater than 1, here it is infinity, and infinity into 1 by n is 0, so 1 to the power something that will be equal to 1, so infinity into 0 function. So infinity, this is the inter format, infinity into 0. So what we have to do, we have to take n to the power alpha to the bottom. So this will be equal to limit n to the power n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power alpha minus of 1 divided by 1 by n to the power alpha. So this is of the format 0 by 0. This is of the 0 by 0 format. So now we'll put L'Hospital rule over here. So now if we apply L'Hospital rule, this will give us limit n tends to infinity alpha into 1 plus 1 by n to the power alpha minus 1 into 1 minus of 1 by n square. This is on the numerator, and in the denominator this will be equal to minus of alpha into n to the power minus alpha minus 1. So this will be equal to limit n tends to infinity, this will be equal to alpha and alpha will cancel out, negative and negative will cancel out, so this will give us 1 plus 1 by n to the power alpha minus 1 divided by n to the power minus alpha minus 1 plus 2. So this will give us limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n to the power infinity minus 1 upon n to the power 1 minus infinity. So this will be of the form limit n tends to infinity. If we take this n over in the bottom, n to the power 1 minus infinity, n to the power 1 minus alpha in the top side, then it will become n to the power alpha minus 1. So n to the power alpha minus 1 into 1 plus 1 by n to the power alpha minus 1, that we can, in total we can write down as n plus 1 to the power alpha minus 1. So now if we put n tends to infinity, this will be equal to infinity. And similarly for alpha less than 1, limit of x to the power xn as n tends to infinity is also equal to infinity. So we can see that for alpha equal to 1, limit of xn is equal to 1, and if alpha is greater than 1 and if alpha lies in the interval 0 to 1, in that case also we can see that the limit xn tends to infinity. So the option is that limit xn tends to the value 1 or infinity depending upon the value of alpha. So the option C is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 27 from the ISI Bstat question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.